What's up, car lovers? Welcome back to Channel V8X, where power, performance, and pure automotive passion come together. If you love bold SUVs, cutting-edge design, and real American-style road presence, you're in the right place. This is Channel V8X, and today we're taking a deep dive into something special. Meet the 2026 Subaru Forester, finished in a stunning deep metallic blue that instantly commands attention. This SUV isn't just a refresh, it's a statement. Subaru has taken everything people loved about the Forester and elevated it with a more aggressive design, smarter tech, and true all-wheel drive confidence. From city streets to open highways, the 2026 Forester is built to look strong, feel premium, and drive with purpose. Let's talk about the angles, because this SUV looks incredible from every direction. Starting with the front view, you're greeted by a bold grille, sharp LED headlights, and a wide stance that screams confidence. This is the kind of front fascia that looks just as good parked as it does charging down the highway. Move to the side view, and the proportions are spot on. Clean body lines, muscular wheel arches, and a strong shoulder line give the Forester a premium, upscale SUV profile that feels right at home in American luxury ads. Around back, the rear view is solid and modern, with sleek taillights and a planted look that adds to the Forester's road presence. Step inside, and the dashboard view completely changes the game. A large infotainment display, digital cluster, and refined interior materials make the cabin feel modern, comfortable, and driver-focused. Under the hood, the engine view reflects Subaru's engineering confidence, clean, purposeful, and built around their legendary all-wheel drive system. From above, the drone view highlights the Forester's balanced design and roofline, perfect for road trips and outdoor adventures. On the move, the highway shot shows exactly what this SUV is about: stability, smooth power delivery, and confident cruising. And finally, the night shot. Deep metallic blue paint glowing under city lights, LED headlights cutting through the dark. Pure automotive drama. The 2026 Subaru Forester isn't just about looks. It's about trust. Subaru's AWD system gives you grip in all conditions, while the ride stays smooth and controlled. And here's the best part. The starting price is expected around $30,000 to $33,000, making this one of the smartest value-packed SUVs in its class. You're getting luxury looks, advanced safety, and real capability without paying luxury brand money. So if you're looking for an SUV that blends style, safety, and everyday usability, the 2026 Subaru Forester in deep metallic blue deserves your attention. This has been Channel V8X, your home for bold machines and real automotive stories. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching Channel V8X, and we'll see you in the next one.